So today I'm going to show you guys how to spatchcock a chicken. It's super easy, super simple, and there's nothing to fear about. You're going to find out that I talk really, really fast, so keep up. We're going to start with a smaller bird. Again, we have the wings here, the breast, the thighs, and when I flip it over, you guys can clearly see we have the spine that we're going to cut along and take right out. I'm going to just do a little trim job. So I am specifically looking for the spine that I want to cut out, so that way the bird can lay nice and flat. So now that I have the backbone clearly cut out, I'll press down, and I'm going to break its back more. Listen for that crack when you press down. You might think you're doing it wrong, but just don't worry, you're doing it right. You want to make sure it's nice and flat. I still have my wings here, my thighs are here, and then I got my whole bird on the inside here. You're going to catch me doing this a lot because I just don't like raw chicken on my hands. I'm just making a nice little herb oil. We're going to use some thyme. You can add some garlic to it if you want. Parsley. The world is yours. I say that to my niece a lot. I said, the world's yours. I'm just living in it. Sorry, I'm going to cut my lemon and I'm going to put it on the grill to get a nice char. I want to make sure I get that nice little char. So when I add it to my oil, it gets that nice flavor, and then I can add it to my chicken and we'll get seasoning. These are going to be really hot, but I'm going to squeeze some of the juice into my herb oil. The reason why I also charred this lemon is I want that nice caramelization. I want those juices to wake up a little bit. Hold on, this bird's got to look more relaxed. There we go. I want to tuck those wings in. It's going to help cook more evenly. I want a nice coat of oil so my flavor, my seasoning is going to stick to the bird. It's also going to help not stick to the grates. So I'm just using salt and pepper, the basics. If you wanted to add a garlic powder, onion powder, you can. But this is super easy, super simple, and I want you guys to try it at home. So I wanted to make sure I preheated my grill and make sure that my temperature is close to 400 to 450, just to get in that nice temperature range. My lid has been closed this whole time. I'm preheating the grates, and I'm going to add the bird to it. We're going to set a timer for about 20 minutes. Skin side down first, get that nice crisp. Check on the bird, and then we'll flip. And we'll set another timer for about 20 minutes or so. Let's do some dishes. Let's look at our chicken. We can see that we have a nice crispy skin going, so I'm going to get ready to flip it. I have it indirect, and I wanted to make sure that I did skin side down first so I get that crispy skin. Now I'm just going to finish it off like this. Now we wait again. Gosh, Andy, you're pushy. Just pushy. We're going to check our bird. I like where the skin's at. I like the crispiness. Let's see if our internal temperature is done. I want to make sure I'm in the thickest part, and we're ready. So let's take this bird off the grill now, and we're going to let it rest for a few minutes, but then we can get slicing. So we'll be back in about 10 minutes or so. My favorite part, I'm so hungry, I can't wait to eat this. You can serve it up many different ways, but we're just going to do family style, so I'm going to cut up the legs. Bam. I'm simply just slicing right through. Like I said, you guys can use so many things with this, whether you guys want to cut it up in a chicken Caesar salad, a wrap, a buffalo chicken dip. So this is the moment of truth. I got Dustin Green, my boss. He's going to taste test for me. I'll take a little piece. Look how juicy!
Not bad. Not bad at all.
That's like the best compliment from him, okay? Thank you guys so much for joining. Again, this was just the basics on how to spatchcock your chicken. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. I'm Maddie, Grillmaster, grill specialist at Weber. You made me nervous. Grillmaster in training.
That was like so much fun.
Okay, let's check these lemons out. Thank God for my built-in timer. Yeah, I need a hand. Oh, thank you, sir.
Yes, chef.
Oh.
Not done?
No.
Okay, let's go.